Our Brute Platinum XL22 taps need a partner. A heavy-duty partner. Engineered to tackle the toughest threading jobs and increase productivity, the Brute XLT Tapper is the threading solution for you. Need to tap 100 holes, 1,000 holes, 10,000 holes? Powerful, tough, fast, and accurate. Powerful enough to thread up to 9/16 in steel and 5/8 in aluminum. Tough enough to be used on-site or in the shop. Faster than old-school hand tapping so you can power through your day. And accurate, precise, threads every time. Don't worry if you're not on your A game. The pivoting tap collet auto-corrects misalignment, reducing tap breakage. And just pull back to activate the high-tech auto-reverse for precise threads. Hole after hole after hole. Maximize performance of your tapper. Use genuine XL22 taps and BruteLube fluid to get it done right. The Brute XLT Tapper, only from Champion Cutting Tool Corp.